Fight Electric's T8 and T12 LED linear tubes allow you to upgrade those old fluorescent lights easily. The T8 and T12 Type A plug-and-play tubes are the quickest LEDs to install because it uses the existing ballast, so you don't have to do any rewiring. Start by turning your power off at the breaker to prevent any potential for electrical shock. Then, carefully remove your old fluorescent tubes by twisting and pulling them out. Next, determine if you need a T8 or a T12 bulb by looking at the markings on the tube. If there are none, the T8 bulb is skinnier than the T12 bulb. In this case, we need a 4-foot T8 tube. Now, once you've bought your Fight Electric LED Type A linear tubes, install them by inserting the pins into the lamp holders and twisting the tube until it stops. Finally, restore your power at the breaker and enjoy the convenience and energy savings of over 30,000 hours of high-quality LED light.